Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about importation business tips and tricks. This time around, for some reason, Weidian shopping app was not available in Play Store or App Store. Let me quickly show you. If I open my Play Store right here, and I go ahead and simply click on search, the same thing applicable to iPhone user, which is App Store. And we are trying to come to search app right here, and we type in Weidian, just like so. And then we search, we scroll up and down, we cannot find the app right here. And we mostly interested in this particular app to source and ship products from China at a very cheap price. How can we fix this particular problem and get full access to Weidian Chinese shopping app without any stress? Whether you are using iPhone or you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, let me show you how. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said, Weidian shopping app is no longer in Play Store, and I want to give you a quick fix on how you can have full access to Weidian shopping app. So what we want to do here is to access from Play Store. Then we want to make sure you have your WeChat app on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, make sure you have WeChat app. If you have not have WeChat app before, just go ahead and come to your Play Store. For every Android phone user, click on search app and then go ahead and type in WeChat right here. So hit search and then it's going to take you right here. So as at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this WeChat right here. Download and install it and register with your phone number. Once you are able to register, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on open right here. And or better still, you can access from Play Store, and then you have the app icon on your phone right here. So I'm going to simply go ahead and open up my WeChat right here. So open up my WeChat. If you are open the WeChat for the first time, you need to make sure you register. After a successful register, it takes you to the WeChat app right here. Just like what you see right here. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to have access to Weidian shopping app. It is a very simple logic. All you have to do right here is to simply click on discover right here. So on getting to discover, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and look for mini programs. Go ahead and click on mini programs right here. Just like so, it's going to take you right here. So from mini program right here, all you have to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then here you go. So from these sections right here, so from this section right here, simply click on here to see more apps. That's going to take you right here. What you want to do right here is to keep on scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. So under the mini program right here, just continue to scroll down. So continue to scroll down until you are able to see Weidian shopping app logo. You can see different shopping app right here. But what we are mostly concerned here is to see Weidian shopping app. Just like so. Or better still, from the home page right here, let's quickly go back. So from the home page right here, you can easily see it right here. So if I click on recently used right here, you see all apps recently used right here. So this is the one we are talking about. This is Weidian shopping app right here. So simply click on it and it's going to load to the interface of Weidian shopping app. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on here. This will allow you to see different store. Just like so, now you are in Weidian shopping app. The more you scroll down, the more you see different store at these sections right here. So if you navigate to this particular icon right here, this will allow you to see your cart. And then you can see I do not have anything in my cart. If I click on this profile icon, this will take me to my profile right here. Just like what you see right here. The order you have in pending right here, the one you paid for successful, the one on transit, then your feedback, and then your refund progress, the customer support, as the case may be. It's that simple. If you want to shop for any product, all you have to do is to click on this home. All you have. So if you want to shop for any product, all you have to do is simply click on here. This will allow you to source for any product of your choice from Weidian inside WeChat right here. If you are interested in any of the products right here, what you need to do is simply click on the product link. Once you click on the product link, it's going to load and show you the product detail, just like what you see right here. So you can scroll down here and read details about the product. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail about the product. Once you're satisfied, all you have to do is simply click on here to proceed to checkout. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Weidian shopping app, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.